Welcome back to Clagwell's Garage. All right, this is a unique one on the bench today. What I've got is a UNIVAC Uniservo take-up reel. And this take-up reel just happens to be completely full of the metallic VICALLOY tape, which means, being VICALLOY, it came from the UNIVAC computers around 1951, 1952. This take-up reel is, let's see here, it's in its original box. And I'll kind of scan it here so you can read it. Metal alloy digital recording tape, Remington Rand. There's the serial number. Take-up reel color. It's blurred, but it is red. And it's in very good condition. Very few scratches. Let me tell you a little about the Uniservo VICALLOY tape. So a full-sized reel, which I just happen to have over here, which I'll share at another time. Excuse all the mess, but it's right there. That too is a full take-up reel of VICALLOY tape. So what it says is the amount of memory that these full-size reels can hold is about 1.3 to 1.5 megabytes per reel. And I guess it also depends on the formatting. And I'm not really a computer expert, so I'm sure there's people that know way more about these things than I do. So feel free to jump in on the comments and set me straight on kind of what these things are all about. But it also says that these things normally are a 1,200-foot metal tape reel. That's the silver one that I showed you earlier. And they can do about 128 characters per inch. So it's kind of interesting. Very, very, very little amounts of memory compared to the stuff that we've got today. VICALLOY. Why is it called VICALLOY? Well, because it is a vanadium cobalt alloyed tape. Kind of makes you wonder. I mean, for being as old as it is, I wonder if any of the data is still stored on this tape. I guess it all depends on where it was stored, what kind of environment it was subjected to over the years. But regardless, it's in really good condition. I bet there is some data on it, just like the other one here over my shoulder. If you got any questions about this, I will do my best to answer. Or if you know more about this than I do, which I'm sure you probably do, feel free to chime in and kind of let us know more about it. There you have it, a UNIVAC Uniservo take-up reel from about 1951 or 1952.